So, here we are. We had to close work due to high winds. And I just got lucky, and I'm thinking, okay, maybe I can find a spot. And there was one spot here, and here we are. So, we've got the high winds. We closed for the day. So, I'm gonna take a chance and see how much I can hike without it getting too crazy here. So, let's do it. I'm just so lucky. As I was right there, and as I'm pulling up, a car pulled out. So, perfect timing. Perfect timing on that. Otherwise, I would have had to park all the way down at work and walk up here. So, and look at that, good timing on. Let's see here. See the tram back there? I know so many people have seen it a million times, but there's always that one person who's never seen the Gatlinburg tram. So it is windy. It is windy, so I'm wearing the cap backwards. And this is the Sugarland Trail. And this wind, the combination of the water here, way up there. Woo! Wow. The water is high. So my day started out like any other day, thinking that I had to be to work by 2:30. My normal, routine of waking up at 10:30, get my coffee, relax. I try to reply to all the content, all the messages, all the comments, and jump in the shower, jump out of the shower, and I see the text message, hey, you're supposed to be here at 12:30, and mind you, it's after 1 o'clock. So you have that, how you doing? You have that mentality of thinking, oh, I've got 2 hours to be to work from, oh crap, I've got to be to work ASAP. Then you get to work for 2 hours, and then it's high wind advisory. And here we are. You want to go canoeing? I can canoe. Can you? Wow. Guys, normally you can walk up to where right around there. Look at it now. Not bad, huh? I've got all this to look out for, so I'm trying to be careful here while I'm doing this. Oh, the air, the cool air. Back. You can feel that air. Just so yeah, getting back to that question, I pretty much know what almost 100% it'll be. This or downtown Gatlinburg walking around. So I'm not caught in the darkness. I just checked that sunset is at 5:48. So that gives me about 20 minutes here and back. Especially here in the mountains when it gets darker. Even though it reads the sunset, say at 6 o'clock, get the heck out of there by 5:30. Especially when you're in the woods. Because there aren't any lights, obviously there aren't any lights or anything, so be careful. And it's, oh my God, what a workout. And they say to talk while you're working out, because it helps your breathing, it helps your heart. Wow. All right, we are heading back now, guys. It is getting a little twilight. And some cardio. You know, it blows my mind when, you know, you all know that I close the gym at night. And I walk by there every day. The day, it will be a beautiful day. Gorgeous. Perfect for walking around outside. Yet there's people on the treadmill. I don't get it. But, oh, I'm so glad I did this. Nice little cardio there. Guys, if you're able to go for a little hike, a little walk, do it. I know as we get older, we're limited to what we can do. So, I just say it just to motivate and inspire a few. Please don't take me the wrong way when I say, hey, get up and do something. You know what I mean on that. When I was almost 300 pounds, I needed a kick in the butt to get up and do something. So. The overpass here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, that feels awesome. I was up there. Oh my, this is so cool. Gotta love this. I'm gonna walk a little bit further and then turn around. God, thank you so much. Thank you so much for putting up with me. I love this so much. Oh my God. I love it. And I love you guys. Thank you. I always forget which way to look. Where am I looking? Right there? Oh yeah, I'm looking there. Right there. Okay. Oh, I love this. I hope maybe one of our subscribers comes to town and we can do a hike or even walk around. That would be cool. But it would have to be on, of course, my day off. You can't make this up. So as I'm hiking and picking up trash, I receive, you know, it's spotty. Obviously the Wi-Fi is spotty. But as I'm doing my thing here, recording, filming, I received a messenger from a gentleman from Save Our Smokies. And they'd like to get in touch with me about possibly helping them out. That would be awesome. Oh my goodness. That would be awesome. So we're kind of texting each other right now, but oh my goodness, I would love to do that. Man, you want to talk about getting back just in time? I mean, it's probably going to be pitch dark in 10 minutes. Wow, I had such a great time doing this. Look at that. God, I still can't believe that that organization reached out to me. That is, and it may help my channel out too, getting the word out. That would be awesome. I'm not doing this for that, obviously, but wow, wow. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. You do good things, it comes back eventually. Not right away, but eventually. All right, guys. I'm out of here. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Be safe.